Hello everyone, meet AEGIS, where healthcare data goes from raw records to the trusted decision. AEGIS is an intelligent healthcare data quality anomaly detection and SLA monitoring platform. Healthcare organizations process large amount of medical claims, prior authorization, and pharmacy transaction every day. The challenge is that records can contain poor quality data, unusual patterns, processing delays, and operational risk. Traditional system often detect this issue, and after manual correction, after an SLA has also already been breached, but our solution brings the flow with one platform. We first validate the incoming data, then detect the anomalies and the SLA risk, explain the issue using AI, assign it to the appropriate human reviewer, execute the corrective action, and finally maintain a complete trail. Our workflow start from ingest, validate, detect, explain it, and assign, resolve it, and audit them. Let me log in. Yeah. This is the dashboard of this platform. Let's see what are the things there. There is a dashboard, a claim data set where the data source can be uploaded, data quality checks, anomaly monitor, SLA monitor, recommendations using the RAG, human reviews, execute the actions, monitoring the dashboard, feedback, audit trail, and creation of an employee management. Let's start with the data source. Here there is three pipeline which consist of claim dataset, pharmacy dataset, authorization dataset. Claim dataset contains the 10 claim records as a demo. Each records can contain important information like claim ID, member ID, provider ID, procedure ID, claim amount, denial information or processing time. In the demo, we upload the data through a CSV file. The same ingestion layer can be connected to an API or an enterprise data stream where the data is uploaded, the pipeline automatically starts processing it. Let's go. This claim data has a total of 10 records and it is processed through a valid testing, and once the test has been passed, it is run through an anomaly detection pipeline. Yeah, we can find it out the total amount of anomalies, the normal records, and the error. Let's go to the data quality side. These provide an view of data health and the risk detected across the healthcare system. Yeah, you can see the average quality score of the data processed through the 10 amount of data, and the with issues and how many valid data, and it is the top issues we can find what is the issue in the processed data, unusual claim amount, claim denied, or the processing time exceed the expected time, and these are the data which is not quality. Let us go to the anomaly monitor. It is a page where we can see what is the anomalies. Based on the filter, we can see what are the types of anomalies in the each pipeline, and based on the anomaly score and the risk score, we can calculate the severity and the SLA status. And SLA priority dashboard, there's the two SLA breach has been done by the dataset. Three amount of them is at risk, and five of them is normal. Here we can see the breach records, the response time need to be done, and the severity. It is, since there is a breach status and critical status, we can show it as priority 1. Based on it, we can work it on them. For example, the claim 107, uh, it has a risk score, and probably you can see here. Okay, claim amount is 4,500 on procedure code, and everything can be seen here. And wait, let us see the recommendation. Yeah, this is the recommendation part. Once this has been shown, we can see what is the root cause. Because of the high claim amount, the claim denied, this anomaly is passed out. The recommendation action which to be done, the ML model can detect it and show it. It is helpful for the rectifier to see the process and recommend the actions. Let us give an human review. We need to enter the human review workflow. Yeah, it is done. Yeah, then it is because the auditor manually we need to check whether the AI recommendation is correct and validate them. Uh, the specialist review the case and complete the required remediation. For this demo, we assume the review is blindly amount required correction. Let me approve it first. First, we need to approve what is the data, and we can execute them. Yeah. For this, let me give an. There are three types of action we need to take: fix data, or reprocess, escalate, or contact team. And let us see if there is a one worker. We can assign this work to him. Done. Yeah, and this is a dashboard where we can see what are the actions to be taken, created, assigned, in progress, completed, and failed. Yeah, okay. Yes, okay. And this is a monitoring dashboard. We can overall dashboard based on the data set. We can see what are the anomalies, severity, distribution, SLE status, and the root cause of them. Based on different types of root cause, we can calculate it and store them. Feedback loop audit. Yeah, feedback is an a recommendation part. We need to approve it after the recommendation and the fix has been done. Let us go afterwards. It audit trail. It is an admin side. Since we have a audit trail, we need to store all the logs in a system way and everything what has been done. First, the authorization data has been passed. Pipeline has been done. Then this is the work we have done. Time data has been passed, and the pipeline has been processed, and review created, review approved, actions created, action assigned. And let us go and see the worker part. Yeah, the work has been assigned. We can see this is the dashboard. It is a overall dashboard which will be permanent one. We can see what is the task has been assigned now, in progress and completed. And my task, it is an daily basis task. It will be updated daily. We can see one task has been assigned to us, in progress and done, same thing, and we need to update it. Okay, let me see the data. Okay, good. And once it is processed, we can see the A recommendation which has been shown in the admin side has been also forwarded to the worker part, and the step-by-step approach we need to take, and the priority time which has been done, everything has been shown to the worker side. What is the rule update violation? Once the worker have updated it, we can assume he have completed it. And resolution or progress notes we need to. How was this? For example, solve the issue and update it. And once it has updated, you can see the completed work. And just go back to the admin site. Authenticate it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and the work has been completed, and it has been shown in the execute action page. The worker name or an employee name which has been done by him, and this is the part. Okay, let us create an employee registration part, a new employee. um Let me see. Okay, sending invitation, and the invitation has been the employee ID has been created, and invitation has been sent to my email. Here the mail has been received. Let me set up my account and password. Yeah, the account email, the name which has been displayed. We can also change what is the name, can be done. Let me say employees, and we need to set a password with should be matched with the requirements. And everything has been set. Let me set password, and we can redirect to the employee dashboard. Yeah, the name has been updated and the dashboard has been created. Let me go to the admin side. Yeah, okay, and this is the data set of the claims data set type. Let me process the pharmacy also. Same 10 data, and yeah, it has detected 2 anomalies and 8 normal data, and which will be updated to the dashboard too. We can see overall things. Let me also update the authorization data. Okay, okay. Anomaly detection pipeline. Yeah, it has been done and updated. Okay, the overall dashboard has been displayed. This is the overall dashboard which contains 3 data set: the type of anomalies, normal records, and how many SLA breaches, critical issues, the severity based. For example, priority 1, priority 2, everything has been shown here. And for SLA at risk, the average quality score of all the 30 data set, and we can see the detection trend over the period of time, anomalies, how many anomalies have been done, and the normal data. Severity, there are 3 types of severity distribution: medium, critical, and high, based on the validation rules. Like member ID, if it is missing, it can be severity score is high, so, or critical. Likewise, it has been named, and we can see how many dataset comparison of 3 types. A claim which is stored with 10 dataset, no, 5 is normal, 5 is anomalies, and 7 normal, 3 anomalies, 8 normal, 2 anomalies. SLA status 2, 6 has been breached at risk, and 20 normal dataset. Uh, that overall data quality scored also shown here. Yeah, it has rounded off to 88. Issue priority breakdown, how many critical things has been stored, and likewise it has been shown. And dataset health, since the claim dataset has more anomalies other than the authorization and pharmacy, it shows a warning and priority is given to the claim first, followed by the authorization and pharmacy too. And yeah, this is a feedback side. Once the work has been fixed by the employee, we need to suggest the recommendation was helpful, which you can be helpful for the developer to continue this part. Let me give, and if not helpful, the request and everything has been solved, and the worker resolution which I have updated we solve the issue has been shown here too. This is the overall project. By bringing the data quality validation, anomaly detection, SLA monitoring, assisted recommendation, human review, and auditability into one closed platform, AEGIS provide a unified approach to identify and manage the data and operational risk. It helps organization identify poor quality data early, investigate it, and find the behavioral patterns, prioritizing delay workflow or not, ensure the data issue are assigned and fully traceable. And coming to the conclusion, our main uh, scope is not just to detect the problems, it is ensure that every issue is detected early, explained clearly, routed to the correct person, resolved through an workflow, and recorded for a completely traceable part. And this is the overall workflow of this project. Thank you.